QPR stands for Question, Persuade, Refer. And it's about an hour to an hour and a half long class that teaches you how to approach someone who might be in crisis, how to talk and listen to them in a non judgmental way, and how to be able to refer them to get the help that they need. It is great training because not only is it training you on how to help someone who might be in crisis or suicidal, it also brings down the walls of stigma and teaches you the myths from the fact about suicide and mental health.
And will also teach someone the warning signs or the signs to be alerted to that someone might need help.
Definitely alerts you to the signs of, isolation, not eating, not sleeping, talking about they're not going to be here, feeling hopeless. It brings up all of that as well. And it also teaches you some great tips where if we were in person, you could really do it. But we also teach you, you have to ask someone straight out, are they suicidal? Do they have a plan? And one other thing I mentioned greatly is you have to make sure that when you're talking to that person, if it's in your home or relative, or a friend, you do not put your hands on someone when they're in crisis. You talk to them in a gentle and soothing manner, but you don't go up and hug them, which social distancing has something to do with that now. But still, your first instinct, you want to go up and hug someone, and you can't do that. But it's just great training. It's free of charge. In an hour and a half, just think about it for a second. An hour and a half could save someone's life, and it is great training.
Now, you're going to offer this to adults and teens, people coming home from college. Tell me when you will offer it, what time, and how.
Well, I'm going to start off with adults, even though I can train youth. I'm going to start off with adults because they say in the training, one person in each household should know this training. So I'm going to start off with adults, and I'm going to start every Wednesday from here on out from 1 o'clock to 2:30 every Wednesday. And then for people who still are having to work or online, I'm going to offer it on Saturdays from 1:30 to 3 o'clock. So it's great training. I did my first one on last Thursday, and it was this past Thursday, and it went really, really well. And I'm like, oh, I'm on to something here. And then I will eventually be training youth, but college students can take it back to college, and they will be able to save someone's life. The certifications for 3 years. So it's 3 years, and I will email them their certification and also send them a booklet in the mail to help them continue to brush up on being a QPR gatekeeper.
And the platform you're using to do the coaching is which way?
Oh, I'm doing it on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I'm sending emails to people and just telling my friends and family members, please share it. This information is so vital, and I'm so proud to still be here to be able to do something like this. For me, it's turning around my Aunt Kelly. Aunt Spanky saved me 25 years ago, and I wanted to show people that, anyone can do this. You do not have to be a professional. All you have to do is care enough to get educated.